how to transfer Shopify store from one Shopify store to another. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's quick short video, I'm going to be showing you how you can transfer your Shopify store to another store. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now, the whole process is actually very simple. So in order for you to transfer it, you need to make sure that you have the email address, the passwords, all of that stuff, right? And you got to make sure that you have your own as well. So log in into your Shopify store. Once you've done that, just simply click on the settings icon. Here you will see you have users and permissions. And in it, what you want to do is click on it. And then over here, you can see you have the store owner right here. And here you can go ahead and transfer the ownership, right? So simply click on transfer ownership, and when the new owner accepts your invite, you will be removed from the store. So right here, the new store owner logins are going to be over here. Just simply enter in their email address, their first name, their last name, and the password. And there you go. After that, click on the transfer ownership button. And once you've added the email, make sure it's actually the right email, because otherwise, if it's incorrect, you'll lose your ownership, right? Someone out there will have that email and they will have access to the store because you just sent them the ownership, right? So make sure you click on this button and they'll receive a link. Then they'll be able to go ahead and log in with these login details with the same password and email that you've provided with. And there you go. And when you click on it, it'll say right here that, invitation has been sent. You can see right here, invitation has been sent. And if I come over here onto the other Gmail account, on the other email, I can see I have the invite right here. If you want, you can decline them, but if you want, you can just simply click on get started, and then you can log in over here as well. So now they can just simply go ahead and log in, and I'm going to do that, redirecting me. So I'll just use my email and click on continue. And now we have, this is actually the other account. And for some reason, let me actually go ahead and actually go into the other section. For some reason, it's trying to log me into my other account that I had actually previously created on this email, just to, just as an experiment. And I think it thinks I'm trying to log into that, but I'm not. So, keep that in mind. If you already have a previous email sent over here, they might actually try to, use the email settings over there. But yeah, after that, they can go ahead and sign up. But yeah, I'll just cancel the transfer as of right now. But yeah, so there you go. This is how you do it. This is how you transfer for your Shopify store from one store to another. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.